Meet the Reaying ATC CNC router, your ticket to high-profit woodworking and metal crafting. With a 9 kW spindle, 12-tool auto-changer, and massive 1,300 by 2,500 mm workspace, this machine handles cabinets, signs, molds, and more. Imagine earning $3,000 to $15,000 a month cutting custom doors, carving acrylic logos, or milling aluminum parts. The LNC control system and servo motors guarantee precision, while the vacuum table speeds up production. Stop wasting time on manual tools. Upgrade to automation and scale your workshop today. Click the link below to get pricing.